Africa. Yes. Hey, that time to look at yes. Court that Bruno granted back. Court discharge and acquitted him. Condemn his abduction in Kenya. Yes, sir. And there's an extradition to Nigeria. Yes. So who have you got that? Yes. Father of Cambodia. Yes. Yeah, they got that around the guy. It is sweet us. It it will end in press.